So let's look at our pages. And to do that, we can go over here and we can hover on the navigation on our left hand side and just click on all pages. And what we're presented with then is we're presented with the page that has a list of all the pages on our website. And if we hover over the individual page, each page has 3 options or 4 options on it. You can edit the page, you can quick edit, you can trash the page, or you can view the page. So the next thing you can do then is you can actually open up the page, the current page, just by clicking on it, and it'll load up the page in the text editor. So what we have here is we have the title of our page, we have the actual content in our page, and down here we have the revisions of when the page was actually edited last. So it's telling us that it was edited last on the 3rd of March at a particular time. This is the discussion here, which allows users to leave comments. I generally have those turned off, because if you allow comments and you allow trackbacks, you'll generally end up with spam. So I generally tend to untick those when I'm creating a page. You can add comments to a page, but that's not something that I would usually do. And then you have the slug, which is basically the page name that appears in the address bar. So in this case it's WP admin. So if we were looking at the page called new website, it would be mywordpresswebsite.dev/new website. So that's where the slug comes in. Over on the right hand side then you have the status of the page. So the status is it's published. You can edit that to switch it to be unpublished, which means that the page still exists but it's not published anymore. The visibility then, you can change it to be private so that only someone who has the actual link can view the page. Then you can list the list of your revisions, and which there are 2, which we can see here. The date that it was published on, you can edit that, and then you can actually delete the page directly from here by clicking on Move to Trash. Then you can set a featured image for a particular page by clicking on the link there and adding an image to it, but that's something we'll look at a little bit further on. So that's the interface for our page. So we can go back to our splash screen page again here, just to have our list of pages.